Hi guys, welcome to Prof Daily. It is sad news, guys, to represent to you the passing of Andile Gumbi. Most of us sizomazi njenganozweli as he used to play Uzweli Nkosi yasebhubesini on Uzweli Ngubane Nkosi yasebhubesini on Isibaya. The plays weekdays at 8:30 on Mzansi Magic. Guys, Andile Gumbi has suffered a heart attack and he was actually admitted at an hospital that is in Israel where he was acting recently. It is very, very sad news, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I'm out till next time.
Some words to heal and a place to pray. I don't want to compose for you at all. I don't want to compose for you at all. To calm your fury, you need my soul. As it came, it disappeared. Left just a shadow in your eyes. Is love always on your mind? And his smile haunting you at night. I don't want to compose for you at all. I don't want to compose for you at all. To calm your fury, you need my soul. I'll keep your God, I don't believe. There's a justice on this earth. I'm sorry I can't go back in time, but a song for you is a way to heal your heart. I don't want to compose for you at all. I don't want to compose for you at all. To calm your fury, you need my soul. To calm your fury, you need my soul.